What is beta oxidation of fatty acid? Because in every reaction of beta oxidation, one molecule of acetyl CoA is removed from the beta carbon. What happened? First of all, palmitic acid is changed into palmitoyl CoA with the alpha fatty acyl CoA synthetase. It utilizes 2 ATP. This reaction utilizes 2 ATPs. Then what happened? This fatty acyl CoA goes into enzyme form of fatty acid by utilizing which enzyme? Fatty acyl CoA dehydrogenase. This fatty acyl CoA dehydrogenase remove the low energy electron of palmitic acid in alpha and beta carbon to give it to FAD and FADH to produce. So low energy electron are removed from the alpha and beta carbon and taken by FAD, and it is changed into FADH2. Then we have beta trans acyl CoA form of fatty acid. Then next reaction is the hydration reaction. Hydration reaction, what happened in hydration reaction? One molecule of water is added in the reaction. Hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon and hydroxyl group is attached into the beta carbon, and we have beta hydroxyacyl CoA form of fatty acid. Then dehydrogenase enzyme work on it. What happens? High energy electron in the beta carbon is removed and gained by the NAD, high energy reducing equivalent, and it is changed into NADH in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. And in next reaction, this is the ketosyl form of fatty acid. Why this is ketosyl form of fatty acid? Because it contains 2 ketone group. Okay? It is contain 2 keto group, and the oxidation is take place in the next reaction by 3 ketoacyl CoA thiolase here at the beta carbon, and one molecule of acetyl CoA is produced, and 2 carbon short fatty acid is produced, which is known as myristoyl CoA. In every reaction, the oxidation is take place at the beta carbon. That's why it is known as beta oxidation of fatty acid. So this fatty acid contain 16 carbon. So 7 cycle occur because in last cycle 4 carbon fatty ketoacyl CoA is produced, which is directly changed into 2 acetyl CoA. So if the fatty acid is 18 carbon, then there is 8 cycle, and if it is the 16 carbon, then it is 7 cycle. In 7 cycle, we have 7 NADH, which is oxidized in the electron transport chain to give it 21 ATPs. Then 7 FADH2, which oxidizes in the electron transport chain and give 14 ATPs. And 8 acetyl CoA, when utilized in the Krebs cycle, it will produce 131 ATP. 96 ATPs are produced from 8 acetyl CoA. 21 plus 14 plus 96 is equal to 131 ATP. And 2 ATPs are used when palmitic acid changed into palmitoyl CoA. So net we have 129 ATPs from one molecule of palmitic acid. So there is always 4 reaction in the beta oxidation. First reaction is the reduction, then hydration, reduction, then lysis. Fatty acid go all these 4 reaction when all the fatty acid is changed into acetyl CoA. That's all about beta oxidation.